Do you ever wonder how casinos always seem to come out on top? How weather forecasters predict the chance of rain with such accuracy? Or how medical researchers determine the effectiveness of a new treatment? The answer lies in probability and statistics, two fields that are essential for understanding the world around us. Probability and statistics allow us to make sense of the randomness and uncertainty that we encounter every day. They help us to understand how likely events are to occur, and to make informed decisions based on data and evidence. Let's take a closer look at why probability and statistics are so important. Firstly, they help us to make predictions. Probability is the study of the likelihood of events occurring, and statistics is the science of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. By combining these two fields, we can make predictions about future events based on past data. For example, if a company wants to predict how many products they will sell in the next quarter, they can use statistical models to analyze past sales data and make an informed prediction. Secondly, they help us to make informed decisions. In many areas of life, we are faced with uncertainty and risk. Probability and statistics help us to assess and manage these risks by providing us with a framework for making informed decisions. For example, medical researchers use statistical methods to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of new treatments and to determine the risk of side effects. Thirdly, they help us to identify patterns and trends. By analyzing large amounts of data, we can identify patterns and trends that would be difficult to detect otherwise. For example, weather forecasters use statistical models to identify patterns in weather data and to predict the likelihood of future weather events. Finally, they help us to separate fact from fiction. In today's world, we are bombarded with information from a wide range of sources, and it can be difficult to separate fact from fiction. Probability and statistics help us to evaluate evidence and to make informed judgments about the validity of claims. For example, if a study claims that a particular treatment is effective, we can use statistical methods to evaluate the strength of the evidence and to make an informed decision about whether to believe the claim. So, probability and statistics are essential for understanding the world around us. They help us to make predictions, to make informed decisions, to identify patterns and trends, and to separate fact from fiction. From weather forecasting to medical research to financial planning, probability and statistics are at the heart of many of the most important decisions that we make.